Are you suffering from cirrhosis? Unfortunately, people with cirrhosis are at an increased risk of developing liver cancer. About 8 out of 100 people with cirrhosis develop liver cancer. Your risk varies depending on the cause of cirrhosis, gender, age, and ethnicity. Your doctor may recommend an ultrasound of the liver every 6 months to look for changes of liver cancer. Sometimes your doctor can monitor your cirrhosis with blood tests or MRI of your belly. It is very important for a person with cirrhosis to get screened for hepatocellular cancer every 6 months. If you have liver cirrhosis, talk to your doctor regarding your risk of liver cancer today. We will soon be back with another video like this one.
Till then, do like and share this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.